Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can create unlimited AI images, avatar, and voices for free. Before starting, please like, share, and subscribe the channel so we will learn, earn, and grow together. Now come to the browser and write AI Clip Gen and press enter. Now click on the first side. It's the best website for the person who wants to start a faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so first of all, you have to create an account. For creating an account, we will use temp email so that we will create unlimited accounts. Now come to another tab and search temp mail. Now click on the first website and it will generate a temporary email for you. You can use another temp mail site, Gmailnator. I will show you how. Now copy the email and paste it over that AI Clip Gen website, fill the credentials, and then click continue. Okay, so now give your project name and video format. I will select firstly 9:16 for mobile screen. Now you can create AI images by giving prompts or by giving existing images. Click on the pencil icon and here you have to give a prompt. For a better prompt, I will use ChatGPT. So go to the ChatGPT and write the prompt on which you want an image. So I will give prompt for a cat or jungle. Now see, it has created a best prompt for a high-quality AI image. So I will copy this and paste it over the prompt box and then click generate. See, it has created a high-quality AI image for you, and you can also simply download it by right-click on the mouse and select Save Image. You can see it by zooming that it is the perfect image you can use for various purposes. Here, check the quality of the image. It's a high-quality image. I will show you another example. Scroll down on this screen and copy another prompt now. Again, repeat the process, paste it over the chat box, and then click Generate, and then wait for 5 seconds. Now see, it has created an amazing image of a jungle. Zoom it and check it's also a high-quality image. Okay, so on this screen, you can check your recent projects. You can also create avatar for your image. If you click on it, you will see some options like name, size, and your image uploaded, and create your avatar for 100% free. As you are watching these 3 avatars, now click on the voice here. You can see there are more than thousands of AI voices. You can use them for your project. I hope you will like this video, and if you want more videos like this, so let me know in comment box. Take care of yourself till the next video.